How to fix? We can't get to this file right now because computer syncing is paused in Windows. Look for the OneDrive icon among the displayed icons. If the OneDrive icon is not visible, it may not be running. Select Start, type OneDrive in the search box, and then select OneDrive from the search results. Select the paused OneDrive icon in the notification/menu area. In the Activity Center, choose the pause icon or the yellow box to resume the activity. If you don't see the OneDrive icon in the taskbar, click the Show Hidden Icons arrow next to the notification area to reveal hidden icons.